Hello everyone and welcome back to Project Forge UK. I thought I'd just give you a quick update on where I'm up to with the Evo. It has gone through its MOT, it's passed, there's nothing wrong with the car apart from two advisories, which are a corroded fuel pipe, neck, whatever you want to call it, filler neck. I'm going to get a new one of them ordered and fit, and the other advisory was slight play in a lower ball joint. I'm absolutely over the moon with that, if I'm being honest. It's a 20-year-old car. I've spent some money underneath getting it all restored. It looks absolutely mint. At the MOT bay, they said it looked spot on underneath. They couldn't find anything. And considering it's a 20-year-old car with most original components still on it, I don't think that's bad going. Before I had the MOT done, the ABS light was still on. AMD Limited had fault found it to be the near side rear sensor, which was a new sensor I got from Ross Sport. I've spoke to Ross Sport and sent the sensor back. I hope they do give me a refund, because they said that they had to test them to get a refund from the manufacturer, but the problem was that even though the sensor was faulty from the start, it had been in for 4 or 5 months and it was actually seized in. So the only way you can get them out is to drill it, so they're not going to be able to test it. So they can see I bought another sensor from them, and I just hope that they give me a refund, because like I say, I'll be pretty mad if they don't, because their sensors are a lot more expensive than the other ones. They're £105 each when you can get aftermarket ones for about £40. And it just shows they still ended up sending me a faulty one. But I'll just have to see what goes on with that. They're really good on the live chat and stuff with me. It was just a bit weird. I asked them if there was a problem with sending it back. I've sent it back recorded, and I'm going to check that they've got it and just drop them a polite email and see where we're up to with it. Sorry it's not a really long video today. There's plenty still coming with the Evo. It's just sat there looking pretty outside my house at the moment. I'm going to get it taxed this month and start using it a lot more, and then start getting some more jobs done on it. As always, thanks for watching. Keep liking the videos. Anyone who's come and likes them, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.